Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is a very special day because I bought a new guitar. I can't really fit everything in the frame because it's so huge. Let's unbox this, shall we? Okay, so here it is from Sweetwater. And yes, it's a big box as you can see. Title sign. Caution, read this before opening. We realize you really want to open this box and start playing your new instrument, but we strongly recommend you wait 24 hours before doing so. Sudden and drastic change in temperature, blah blah blah. So basically, climates will possibly damage your instrument. We know it's hard to wait, but please trust us on this one. Thank you for the caution. It has not been 24 hours since I received this via FedEx, but I just can't wait. So I'm willing to take the risk. Okay. How are you doing up there? I'm doing fine, thank you. Just a little out of breath. A thank you note from Sweetwater with the receipt. They included some sweets as usual in case I get tired in the middle of this unboxing session. Pull this out. Okay. Double boxing, I like that. And there's a foot mark here. I don't know if you can see it, there's a footprint here. Hopefully no one stepped on this guitar, because that would be a little bit unprofessional. I'm a little concerned, but the struggle is real. Alright, that's not too bad. Bubble wrap. More protection. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Okay. I see the hard case, guys. Oh god. That's my lighting. Everything's falling apart. But it's okay, it's gonna be worth it. There we go. There we go. There we go. I just need a bit of a break. Cheers. Now let's open this up. For the first time. Hopefully there's no broken neck or anything inside. Here we go. So here it is, guys. So far looks incredible. It's beautiful. Got the snake inlay on the 12th fret, snakebite, EMG pickups. Here we go, ESP LTD snakebite in white. Great hardware binding, all these checklist stuff. That's gorgeous. Incredible. This is where you put the batteries here. Yes, some guitars do require batteries, such as this one. Just put this on the stand for now. Let's see what's in the compartment here. Some sweets for when you get hungry. Probably just like little tools like spanners and stuff. And just open this up. Yep, so this is what's inside. ESP 45th anniversary sticker. I love you, ESP, for including a sticker. You know I'm a sucker for stickers. Key for the hard case so that you can lock it. And some tools for adjusting the neck and stuff. And some more sweets for your journey. Okay, well, time to actually test this thing out. I'm a little out of breath still from all the intense unboxing. But there we go. First impressions. It's very white compared to my ivory vanilla white Gibson Explorer that you've seen in my videos. It's quite weighty, it's got a weight to it, but it's not too crazy. I like the balance on it. It's out of tune, so I'm gonna return this. No, I'm kidding. Probably a good idea to tune this first, but before I do that, just gonna go through some nice contours on the body, the upper part of the body, so that you get a nice feeling to it when you're actually wrapping your arms around it. It's got a thinner body than your normal Explorer. Build quality, even though it's an LTD, I gotta say I'm very impressed. But before I plug this in and actually test this out, first things first, I gotta sniff this, because I'm a weirdo and a creep. You know what's surprising to me? There's actually not too much scent going on the guitar. Because usually when I unbox guitars, there's like a distinct smell to it. But this one doesn't have much of it. I smell a bit of earth and a little bit of cherry on the neck area. Got a tiny bit of sweetness to it and some metallic tone scent-wise. That might be because of the guitar strings. Apart from the neck, not too much scent going on. All I can smell is the plastic. That's probably from the new hard case. It's like getting into a new car, but that's pretty much it, scent-wise. So let me tune this real quick. Okay, so we are now tuned, hopefully. It will do for now. Instantly, it's very slick compared to my Gibson Explorer. It sort of like sticks more closely to your body, which I dig. It's very stealthy, it feels fast. Neck is thinner than my Gibson Explorer, feels a little more wider. The action's great. Much more modern feel than like a classic vintagey feel. I'm talking about the actual physical feeling, by the way, not the tone. The bridge and where I'm actually palm muting feels much more closer to the body. I feel a little bit more connected to the instrument physically, rather than like holding a chunky piece of wood. It feels much more ergonomic. Is that how you say it? So let's plug this in and see what it actually sounds like. Before I do that though, I gotta do the most painful but necessary part, which is peeling off the protective film on the pickups. Helps the tone, I think. So here we go. Oh wait, is this actually wrapped inside the actual... It's actually inside the thing, so how do I peel this off completely? It's smart, but it's a safe way, but it's very annoying. Okay, we're back. it's tuned, I think. Finally managed to take out the pickup sleeves. Here we go. While doing that, I managed to snap a string, so I had to replace a string. But I think we're all good. I can finally plug it in. Hopefully battery will be included here, so battery is included. So let's do some testing, some basic testing. So we're gonna go through the neck pickup, middle, treble pickup. I'm using a Marshall JCM 800 Kerry King signature. The dial is, everything's on, all the dial is on 12 o'clock. Clean for now. Oh, going through a Universal Audio OX amp attenuator, OX box. There we go. Here's the clean channel neck pickups. Not bad. Middle pickup. Gets a little slippery when I hold it like this compared to my Gibson Explorer. It's a little more comfortable playing like that. Not too bad. Okay, well, there you have it. I know what you're thinking. You bought a Metallica James Hetfield signature guitar and you're not playing any Metallica riffs. So, just to finish off the video, I'll play my favorite song by Metallica. Thanks for watching. Until next time.